Hey, so it's been a while since I've actually uploaded to YouTube, but I've been learning a little bit of Python programming and learning physics, and recently I've actually been learning a lot about the flat Earth movement from people like FTFE and McToons and um, PhP Tony and other people, and I thought I would just share something to YouTube. But if you have any questions about programming, just let me know. I've been in PHP for a long time. Um, it's just fun stuff. But I wanted to ask Flat Earth people a question. This is for Flat Earth. Is this a horizontal line? I'll give you a second to think about it. Is this a horizontal line? All right, now let's turn it to 3D. Is it still horizontal? Now, it's funny because I've been listening to some of them, and I drew this in CAD because I got AutoCAD experience. And this is a 3D spherical triangle. So it's like I've been kind of wanting to learn about some of this stuff, but I thought I would start out with that. Like, there you go. Is it flat? Or I mean, is it horizontal? This is basically to the tangent of a circle. So I draw a circle, I draw a line to the tangent, and that's what that is. It's basic geometry. So if any flat earthers are listening, look, or looking, it's in 3D. That's what it is.